By popular demand, here are 15 summer style travel essentials for gentlemen. Perfect for sightseeing, dining out, walking around town on your summer vacation this year. These are key style pieces that he is going to love for their versatility, comfort, style, and price. Whether you're a gentleman shopping for yourself or a lady who just wants to ensure that your man looks as good as you do, I gotcha. Without further ado, let's do this. Okay, ladies, many of you take lead, of course you do, on clothing and outfit ideas not only for yourself, but for the man in your life, especially for traveling. Oliver will say to me, what should I wear for ... which is code for, can you help me shop and find something? Or maybe you're one of the gentlemen in our community looking for a few new ideas. Let me know what you think of these. Number one must, a breathable button-up shirt. For a comfortable, relaxed, yet polished look. I love this one from Vuori. This is a simple, short sleeve button down in a 4-way stretch, soft material, moisture wicking, quick drying, and machine wash. Really important, especially when traveling. I think you'd agree. I think this looks clean, stylish, pulled together without being too fussy. Wear it sightseeing, casual dining, and on travel days as well. Comes in all the pretty neutral colors for easy mix and match with shorts and city slacks. Number two, smart polo shirts. A stylish step down from the button-ups, polos are incredibly versatile. Wear it for a day out touring, dinner at a mid-range restaurant, or just around the property. It's polished yet still super comfortable, earning the top spot on Forbes' best men's polo shirts due to its breathable, moisture-wicking fabric that never itches and stays fresh for miles, thus the name 72-hour polo shirt. This is perfect for travels that call for light packing and minimal laundry days. Customers say that even after 72 plus hours of constant wear, it still passes the smell test thanks to its odor resistant and moisture wicking properties. Plus, this has a UPF of 30 plus for sun protection, making it great for daytime. Number three, a slim fit chino pant. Chinos are lightweight, breathable, and stylish for a smart casual look, making them a perfect pant option for summer travel. Wear walking around the city, at the hotel property, or dining out at a kicked up casual restaurant. From Bonobos, this is their best-selling Chino 2.0. This is their signature wash chino, updated for smart performance and maximum versatility. 4-way stretch cotton, wrinkle-resistant, moisture-wicking, comes in 18 goes-with-everything colors. Mix and match these easily with his polos and his button-downs. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the ultimate versatile workhorse pants. He will love you for these. Number four, tailored shorts. Of course, it's summer. Shorts are a must for summer travel, but a tailored short is going to give him a more polished, upmarket look than the traditional baggy cargo shorts. They're ideal for sightseeing, casual, on-property brunch, or a casual lunch in town. Again, from Bonobos, these are their Chino 2.0 in shorts form. Same 4-way stretch cotton, wrinkle resistant, moisture wicking, and again in both shorts and the longer version. Number five, another one from Bonobos. This is their travel jean in a stylish slim fit. These are made of an extra stretchy fabric, ideal for long flights and travel in general. I mean, no one wants to feel strangled on a vacation, and you certainly don't want to feel strangled when you're on a long flight. Oliver is going to love these. I'm getting him a pair. Not only are they stylish and comfortable, but for international flights where you want to sleep but you still want to be comfortable, almost like you're wearing pajamas, these are great. Lots of stylish neutral colors for easy versatility and mix and matching. Number six, a lightweight bomber jacket. Just like us ladies, gentlemen are going to want to bring a lightweight jacket for cooler days and evenings. I like the idea of a lightweight bomber jacket for extra layering without overheating. It's stylish enough for a casual dinner out, yet practical enough to accommodate for changing temperatures. This one from Travis Matthews in the color Italian Sand is so classic and simple. I love this one. It has a classic blade collar, a touch of stretch for comfort, ribbed cuffs and hem, front welt pockets, contrast lining, and it's machine wash tumble dry. This particular one only comes in the color Italian Sand, but if you're looking for other darker colors to guard against spills, try the Boulevard Bomber from Bonobos. Sleek, darker color options, water repellent, fully lined, clean, simple silhouette. Number 7, a casual loafer. Nothing says relaxed, resort-style sophistication quite like a sleek pair of loafers. Blending both style and comfort, they're easy to slip on, slip off, working seamlessly with both chinos, shorts, and even colored denim. Think casual outings, strolling around town, or along the resort property. I found this pair from Rothy's and I love them so much. I'm buying a couple pair of them for Oliver for our London-Paris trip. Check these out, ladies. These are constructed of a seamless, breathable knit, soft, flexible uppers, extra cushy insoles for both comfort and support. The insoles are also removable, so you can insert your own if he likes that. And best of all, machine wash, so he can wear these forever. I particularly love the way this gentleman is wearing them with a rolled pant and an easy button up. He looks so elegant and effortless. Excellent reviews, ladies. This particular customer says they're breathable, all day comfortable, and perfect for summer activities. This other gentleman says, I was looking for a classy casual loafer to wear on nice summer spring nights and while traveling abroad. These hit the mark and exceeded expectations. Perfect fit and comfortable. Best of all, these look expensive, but they're not. $189. These are a great buy. Number 8, a sleek walking sneaker. We need comfortable sneakers for days when we're going to be doing, a lot more walking around and touring. He's going to want a pair of sleek, minimalist sneakers to elevate casual outfits, but still provide the level of comfort and support that you need for all day touring. We want a sneaker that offers support, yet still keeps the look nice and refined. I found this pair from Wolf & Shepherd that, in my opinion, completely hits that mark. These look fresh, modern, and sophisticated. Crafted from full-grain Italian leather and airy mesh, this modern sneaker is a quick way to elevate everyday ensembles. Removable, cushioned insert with arch support, priced a little higher at $250. Number 9, a classic aviator sunglass. Of course you need sunglasses, that's a no-brainer. But aviators especially are timeless classics. I have many pictures of my dad wearing his aviators while I was growing up. I always recommend Ray-Bans because to me, they are cool, they're sophisticated, but they're exceptionally well priced for a good high quality sunglass. And they look much more expensive than they are. Number 10, a travel-sized toiletry kit. Of course he needs a compact toiletry kit in order to keep toiletries and essentials neat and organized, but without taking up too much space, right? I found this one from Quince, well priced at only $69. Italian leather, dual compartments, with a spacious main to hold all his main essentials, then a zippered bottom compartment with 8 elastic holders for items like tweezers, toothbrush, and lip balm. Number 11, a lightweight merino wool sweater. A merino wool sweater, ladies and gentlemen, is breathable, moisture wicking, and extremely versatile. It's a great option for layering on during cooler nights or when dining indoors in very air-conditioned spaces. This one in a super fine lightweight merino wool is from the brand Unbound. Moisture wicking, odor resistant, fast drying, and perfect for packing. 8 cool colors to choose from. Wear it alone, over a t-shirt, over the shoulders just in case, with either shorts or slacks. Extremely versatile and exceptionally well priced at $108. Number 12, a tailored blazer. A lightweight unstructured blazer is ideal for a night out at a nicer restaurant or an event. It elevates your look without being overly formal, and it can be easily dressed up or down. Again, from Bonobos, ladies and gentlemen, this is an unlined, lightweight, structured blazer. Because it's unlined, it's going to be very breathable. Now, clearly this isn't to wear sightseeing on a 100-degree summer day. You get the idea. This is night out for upscale dining or events. Minimal bulk, just simple, streamlined, structured, and perfect for a more elevated occasion. Oliver will wear something exactly like this when we're in London for the 2 to 3 nights that we have fine dining experiences scheduled. Number 13, a minimalist, stylish watch. A good watch is a subtle statement of style. According to my husband Oliver, it's kind of like the equivalent of a woman's handbag. It's functional, but it's also a style element. I always notice a man's watch. Do you guys? An upscale looking but minimalist design watch is going to complement both his casual and his dressier outfits. It's just that little bit of that you want. Number 14, breathable boxer briefs. Breathable, moisture-wicking boxer briefs are gonna help to keep him nice, dry, and cool on even the hottest summer days. This is not the time to be rocking those tidy whities. Just saying. And finally, number 15, a silk pocket square. Hold up, ladies, hear me out. A colorful little pocket square is sort of like the equivalent of our scarves. It's small, portable, but a powerful accessory to have at his fingertips to elevate really any blazer or jacket in a snap. It gives an immediate sophisticated touch to a nice dinner or a more formal night out. And they take up such minimal space, pack 2 or 3 of them to change his jacket or his blazer on the fly. He gets multiple looks. Now it's the ladies' turn, so don't miss my next video, 15 summer travel essentials that every woman should pack. Have a great rest of the week, ladies, and I'll see you in a couple. Bye.